everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor Arndt. I do all sorts of videos connecting technology to lifestyle. We're going to be doing a simple Mac tutorial, how to install HomeBrew. HomeBrew is the package manager on Mac and is very awesome for installing different applications, especially if you're a developer. Even if you're not, you can still benefit from it. Let's go ahead and get started. Go to my YouTube description. There is a command that you need to go paste into your terminal. So the way you do this is, it is a curl https homebrew. I'm not even going to try to read it because it's so long. Open up a terminal and paste that in. Terminal, paste. Type in your password. Type in your password again, and it will install a lot of different items like command line tools for Xcode and things like that. It may take a while to finish installing, so you may have to wait a few minutes, maybe go get a snack or something. So now you need to add it to your path, and HomeBrew will give you these commands, so I would recommend pasting them in. I'm going to copy them myself. Okay. And this will allow it so that when you type brew, it will work instead of not being on the path. So it's very important that you do this or else you're going to have a bad experience. All right, now I'm going to type brew and you'll notice it say example usage. And this, my friends, is how to install HomeBrew on your Mac. If you like this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, share on social media, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Side note here, we are starting 30 Days of Python tomorrow, and I cannot wait. We're also doing our annual Visual Studio Code accessibility tutorial, so if that's something that you love, then I would tune into that. And I can't wait to talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day and Happy New Year.